Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maglagay ng follow button sa mismong Facebook profile natin. So yan yung makikita. Meron na siyang follow button and message. Hindi na siya add as a friend. What's up everyone? So welcome back sa ating Basagot Please. For our new topic today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maglagay ng follow button sa mismong Facebook profile natin.
What?
Like this one.
What? What?
Okay?
What the fuck?
So, gagawin natin, punta lang kayo sa 3 lines and then go to the settings and then scroll down. Select nyo yung know how people find and contact you. And then select nyo yung who can send you friend request. Make sure na naka friends of friends. Ayan. So sa akin naka friends of friends siya, but you have to select it yourself. And then click nyo lang yung back. Automatic nagsisave yun. So another back natin. Tap nyo lang yung nasa above arrow. And then follow and public content. Select nyo yun. And then make sure na lahat ng option dito is select nyo as a public. Who can see your followers on timeline, make it public. Then the same with this one, affecting your account. Ayan. So make it public. And select this one as everyone. And then public. So ayan. Make sure na naka-public and everyone yung lahat. And then tap nyo lang yung back again. Then back. Same thing. Back lang din. Back to home. So automatic nag-save na yun. Let's see kung gumana. Punta kayo sa profile. Select nyo yung 3 dot. And then view as. So yan yung makikita. Meron na siyang follow button and message. Hindi na siya add as a friend.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Who are you?
So thank you so much. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video or share para malaman din ng iba. And that's it. Goodbye.